The screen goes black. The phone lines are dead. A ransomware message flashes across every computer. For most businesses, this is the end. Years of work, customer trust, and sensitive data gone in an instant. The statistics are grim. 40% of businesses that experience a major data disaster never reopen their doors. But it doesn't have to be your story. At Adaptive Information Systems, we've developed a shield for the modern business. Our new backup and disaster recovery solution is designed to make the unpredictable manageable. It's your complete business continuity plan, built for the realities of today's world. Imagine a cyber attack hits. Instead of panic, there's a plan. Our systems are already working, isolating the threat. We're not just recovering files, we're restoring your entire operation, your servers, your applications, your workflow. Our team monitors your systems around the clock, and we design a recovery time that gets you back online in hours, not days. We turn a potential catastrophe into a manageable hiccup. This is more than just tech support. It's operational armor. We handle the complex world of compliance, whether you're in healthcare, dealing with HIPAA, or finance with PCI regulations. Our team holds certifications from Microsoft, VMware, and Cisco. We're not just technicians, we are certified architects of digital resilience, right here in the Monterey Bay Area, understanding the needs of our local agriculture and financial businesses. Think about what that means. You're free to focus on what you do best, growing your business, serving your customers, innovating. You can sleep at night knowing your reputation is protected, your data is secure, and your company is ready for anything. Technology stops being a source of frustration and becomes the stable foundation for your future success. Don't wait for a disaster to ask if you're protected. Partner with Adaptive Information Systems, and let's build a future where your business is not just secure, but unstoppable. Your continuity is our mission.